Hello everybody, Daryl Rosenbaum here with BigFoot Construction. We're here located in the beautiful South Miami, Florida. Right behind me we have a freshwater pond that's fed daily. This homeowner has trees everywhere, as you'll see in the drone video. There were over 5 roofing contractors that came to this property. None of them wanted to work on it due to the access. We're here to save the day, get the homeowner a new roof. He's getting a 1.5-inch raised standing seamless roof in a natural stone gray color. If you're in the market for a new roof, please give us a call. Daryl Rosenbaum, BigFoot Construction. We build trust.